Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Green. In today's video, I'll be discussing complete analysis on my trading plan for the stocks which I'll be trading for short term and medium term. So without any further delay, let's start. My first stock pick is Avanti Feeds. Avanti Feeds is the largest producers of shrimp feed in India, which account for 45% of the domestic feed business. It owns 6 manufacturing plants in Andhra Pradesh and 1 in Gujarat, which can produce 6 lakhs tons per annum of shrimp feed in India. It also exports its produce to various countries like Europe, USA, Japan, China, Australia and other Middle East countries. Now let's move on to the technical analysis. If you look at the chart in front of you, this is the chart of Avanti Feeds on weekly time frame. When I want to pick a stock for short term or medium term trades, I always pick stocks which had given breakout on higher time frames or the stocks which are forming bullish structure or pattern on the charts. Now I am going to draw a trend line connecting all these highs, and this trend line is acting as a resistance till now. If we observe here, the price had given a breakout from the trend line with volumes higher than that of the last 2 year volumes, and that makes it a high probable breakout. Let's do our further analysis on the daily time frame chart. You can see that the stock is making higher highs and higher lows, which is a bullish structure, and the price action from the previous 5 session clearly indicates that the stock had given breakout from the previous swing high resistance and taking support here. This is called a confluence zone where the trendline support and previous swing high support are meeting here. So my trading plan in this stock is with the initial stop loss below the previous swing low. I will be entering few quantity on the Monday session and the balance on close over this candle high. These markings are the resistance levels on the chart, and I will be booking my profits at each resistance level depending upon the momentum of the stock. My next stock pick is NCC Limited, which is engaged in infrastructure sector, primarily in the construction of industrial and commercial buildings, housing, roads and bridges, etc. So this is the daily time frame chart of NCC Limited, and the stock is forming inverse head and shoulder pattern. The stock is also forming higher highs and higher lows, which is a bullish structure taking support at this trend line. The thing I am also observing here is the price volume relationship. You can see there is expansion of volumes when the price is moving up and contraction of the volumes when the price is consolidating. So coming to my trading plan, I will be adding this stock with initial stop of 84, and these are going to be the resistance levels for this stock. Ultratech Cement, the company which is engaged in manufacturing and sale of cement, is my third pick. This is the daily time frame chart of Ultratech Cement, and I see the stock is taking support at this trend line, making higher highs. This zone I am drawing right now is the resistance zone where the price is rejecting at these levels. So the stock is forming ascending triangle pattern, and the targets for this pattern is the length of the base of the triangle. So my trading plan for this stock is I will be entering few quantity on breakout with initial stop below 6,960. The reason why I only add few quantity on breakout is in case of breakout failure, I don't want to be wrong with my full position sizing. I will add the balance quantity when it comes for the retest, and in case if it don't comes for the retest, I will be adding the balance quantity on close over 7250 levels. The pattern target is 8,000, which is 13% from the breakout level. Tata Metaliks, which is a subsidiary company of Tata Steel, is my last pick. This company is one of the India's leading producers of ductile iron pipes, which finds use in water infrastructure industry. This is the daily time frame chart of Tata Metaliks, and the stock had formed a symmetric triangle pattern. It had given a breakout, and the target is 1420, which is the length of the base of the triangle. With initial stop below 1100 on closing basis, I will be adding this stock. So that's all for today. This analysis is for educational purpose, and consult your financial advisor before taking trade. If you think this video has delivered value to you, please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Trade Green Official all social platform account links are provided in the description below. Follow and join us there too. This is CA Vijay from Trade Green. We wish you all Trade Green for your next trading session. Thanks for watching.